Hi there, students. Lunge. To lunge. A verb. A lunge. A noun. Okay, a lunge is a sudden forward movement. The goalkeeper lunged to stop the ball. He lunged at the ball. So to lunge to do something, or to lunge at noun. The keeper lunged at the ball. He lunged to stop the ball. So to throw yourself forward. Yeah? Very commonly this is used with a sword. He lunged with the sword. It's a common word in fencing, sword fighting. Okay, to lunge, to thrust your sword forward very suddenly. The dog lunged at the burglar. Yeah, so the dog threw itself forward, it attacked, it charged. I lunged to catch the bottle before it hit the floor. Yeah, you move suddenly to do something. The drunken man lunged at the bouncer of the club. So, to move forward very rapidly, to lunge. A lunge, a rapid forward movement. Okay, a lunge has a couple of other meanings as well. A lunge is a length of rope that you use to exercise or train horses. You tie the rope to the horse and the horse goes round and round in circles, and this rope is the lunge. And I think the activity is called lunging. Yeah, lunging a horse. Also, a lunge is a type of fish. But notice both of these meanings are quite specific and not very common. So, a lunge, a forward thrust, a sudden movement, to pounce, to charge, to leap, to dive, to plunge, yeah, okay, to thrust. Whoops. So the lion lunged at the zookeeper and ate him. The attacker lunged at me with a knife, but I dodged. He lunged over the table and grabbed me by the throat. He made a lunge at me. So notice, to make a lunge, not to do a lunge, to make a lunge. Yeah? He made a lunge for the money, grabbed it and ran off. Okay? So it's just a rapid movement. Very often a rapid attack. If somebody's lunging, maybe they're attacking or they're stopping something bad happening. So let's see, what about formality? I'd give this a 5 in formality. I think it's a flexible word. You could use it in a very informal document, and I think you could use it in a very formal document as well. So informal and formal. An informal document and informal conversation. As well, to lunge is a regular verb. He lunged at me. He has lunged for the ball several times. And let's see the origin. Well, from French, allonger, to lengthen, to extend. And that comes from Latin, allongare, to lengthen, add, to, and longare from longus, long. So, long, flat, length, extended. Okay, so to lunge, to throw yourself at something, to try to catch something, to attack somebody suddenly. Yeah? The dog lunged at the policeman. The criminal lunged at the police officer and hit him. Yeah? To lunge with a sword, a sudden forward movement. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. bye for now, to lunge, a lunge, to make a lunge at.